ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಈ ದಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ BBA ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1ನ 6ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ essentials of good information systems and components of information systems ಅನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The first one is essentials of good information systems. The process of generation of information must focus on the quality of informations by aiming at improving the degree of each of these attributes. The following are the important essentials of good information systems. The first one is promptness. Decision making is to be taken with a time frame, and therefore information must be available within the desired time frame. It is well said, information delayed is information is denied. Some types of informations are required periodically and should be made available to users regularly and timely. So as to avoid delay in decision makings, the information should be provided as and when it is needed. That is the first one of the essentials of good information system. The second one is accuracy. It means that information is free from mistake and errors. This implies that the information is totally correct. It is an essentially and important features of good information. Increasing in the accuracy may have it is necessary to determine the acceptable levels of accuracy for each type of information. That is the second essentials of good information system. Next is precision. Precision means is an important virtue of good quality information. Too much of information sometimes results in dumping of important information in the help of details that may not be required at a particular point of time. Only precise information is respected and used by the management. That is one of the essentials of good information system. Next is adequacy or completeness. Adequacy generally refers to the complete and full detailed information. It means the information must contain sufficient and quality information may be said to be complete if the decision maker can satisfactorily solve the problems by using the informations. If the information is incorrect or inadequate, then it can be quite harmful to the organization. Next is unambiguity. Clarity of information is an important attribute of good information. Information must be unambiguous and should be communicated in such a way that it can convey the same meaning to different levels of management. Next, sixth one is timeliness. Timeliness is important information essential. This explains that information should reach the managers or users within the prescribed time for effective decision making. Information must be delivered at the right time, the right place to right person or users. That is one of the essentials of good information system. The next one is exception board. In modern business, the organizations are exception based organizations. This means the management and managers are provided with only those items of information that are particularly interacted to the management. This type of information is quite useful in saving time and resources of the top management. Next is availability. The another essentials of good information system is information is always should available in right time and right place to take the decisions. If information is not readily available at the time of decision making, the information is considered to destroy. Next is format. For making and information useful, it should be made available in a form which suits the recipient most. Information may be communicated in visual or written or verbal form. That is one of the essentials. Next is frequency. Frequency of useful information should be based on the actual requirements of management or managers. The requirement depends on the recipient's organization's positions and his interaction with other departments. They are the essentials of good informations. Any information should uh, satisfying the needs of the organization. These are the some of the essentials it to be included in the good information systems. That is about the essentials of good information systems. Yeah. Next, let us move to next one is components of information system. There are five components that must come together in order to produce a computer based information systems to the organizations. They are, the first one is hardware. The term hardware refers to machinery. This category includes the computer itself, which is often referred to as the CPU, and all of its supports equipments. Among the support equipments are input output devices, storage devices, and communication devices. Components of information systems. There are five components that must come together in order to produce a computer based information systems. They are hardware, software, data, procedure, people. Hardware. The term hardware refers to machinery. This category includes the computer itself, which is often referred to as the CPU, and all of its supporting equipments. Among the supporting equipments are input output devices, storage devices, and communication devices. The next one is software. The term software refers to computer programs and the manuals that supports them. Computer programs are machine readable instructions that direct the circuit try within the hardware parts of the systems to function in ways that produce useful information from data. Programs are generally stored on some input or output medium. Often they are called as a disk or a tape. That is called as software. Next one is Data. Data are the facts that are used by programs to produce useful informations. Like programs, data are generally stored in machine readable form on disk or tape until the computer needs them. That is data. Next is procedure. Procedures are the policies that are govern the operations of a computer system. Procedures are to people what software is to be is to hardware is a common analogy that is used to illustrate the role of procedures in a systems. Next is people. People, every system needs people if it is to be useful. Often the most overlooked element of the system is to the people. Probably the component that most influence the success or failure of information systems. Okay, they are the uh, important components of information systems. Thank you.